Check this out here, y'all. Man, welcome to the Cooking General. Man, I got something to tell you. Man, back in the days, you know what I'm saying, I was doing a lot of cooking. Especially, you know what I'm saying, coming up. And then all my family and friends. And then even when I was in school and even college, they were like, man, you need to go. So they would kind of call me an aspiring chef. But I never wanted to be no chef. You know what I'm saying? But I got there and the dean came there. He's like, you know what I'm saying? Well, we can send these aspiring chefs on a little vacation. And you know, we're going to take y'all on a trip to Italy. You know what I'm saying? He said, because down there they be doing some pizzas and stuff like that there. And I want to take you because I know you got unique cooking ideas and I know you can do the trip. So we went on down there and we flew to Italy. And I got down there, you know what I'm saying? And they was like, you know what I'm saying? Can you do pizza? I'm like, well, pizza is really easy. And then, you know, they asked you for history of pizza. And then, you know, I got to get my little thoughts together. I know that they started using tomatoes on pizza in the 18th century. And I think in, not too mistaken, 997 CE is actually when pizza started, probably somewhere in the central, southern Italy. But, you know what I'm saying? I pretty much well had it down. But, you know what I'm saying? I got my own cooking style. So I said, I'm going to do a pizza. I would do one, but I'm going to do it in my own style, in Italian style. And I done something different, and it blew their mind. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Come here, let me show you how you can do a goddamn Italian style pizza. Different. First of all, now, we're going to do this a spaghetti pizza. So you're going to need some spaghetti. Now, we're going to need onion, bell pepper. We're going to need 2 jars of pizza sauce. Now, we're also going to need some garlic pepper and some Italian seasoning. A little salt, and we're going to also need your Parmesan cheese. Now, we got a pan, and I'm not going to make it round, because you can find a round pan around here anyway, and we're going to spread it a little bit, and we're going to put a little piece of sauce in the bottom so it won't stick, mozzarella cheese, and your 3 meats. You're going to need some ground meat, you're going to need some bacon, and pepperoni, and spank them. There you go. Cooking General, man, finna show you how I went down to Italy and showed them how to make a pizza. Cooking General, man, they can't mess with me. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Hey, check it out. Man, I'm telling you, this spaghetti pizza is going to be good. Now, come here, let me show you what I'm doing right now. Now, first of all, you want to take you some spaghettis. Now, you're going to have this here. This is actually going to be your crust. So you get some out of there. I don't think I'm going to need all of them, because they ain't gonna be that big a pizza. You break them in half as normal, and then you want to add a little salt to your water. Now, I got my meat over here browning. It's my ground meat. And then you also want to add your little Italian seasoning with it. And you also want to add your little garlic pepper with it. Alrighty. Now, you see I got my onions and bell pepper cut up, but it's gonna be when the pizza get ready. But right now, I'm gonna take my 8 bacon. I got my oven set for 350, and I'm gonna put it off in there and let my bacon get done. And we're gonna get this stuff going. And don't forget to keep stirring your spaghettis, man. We're gonna get this right. Man, Cooking General. Ask somebody. Okay. Now, come here real quick. Now, I sprayed my pan. Sprayed my pan. I put a little bitty that piece of sauce on the bottom so it won't stick. I got my spaghettis. Now, only thing I put in my spaghettis, after I got them boiled, a little salt in the water, after I got them done, I put some butter on them. I put some garlic pepper, and I put Italian seasoning on them. And now I'm spraying my piece of sauce on them like this. And I already spread some on it. You want to get your nice good coating of piece of sauce on there. That's why I got 2 jars. Alrighty, that should be good. Now, what I want to do now see my ground meat. I'm going to put that down on there like this. Spread it around. Make sure you get it all even over your whole pizza. Alrighty, get all that out of there. Now, you got that down. Now, you want to add your onions. Top of there. And like I said, these are just a pizza, so you can add what you want. If you don't like onions, you can do mushrooms or anything else you want to do with your pizza, your spaghetti pizza. But I'm telling you, this is one of those pizzas that I did that was so unique, it just took the world by storm over there. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't want to do this here for a living because, like I said, I'm a general. I do not want to be a chef. Never gonna be a chef, never will be a chef. I just love cooking ideas. And I make all my ideas on my own. Now, you get that on there. Now, I'm gonna add my bacon. See, I got my bacon all crisp and crumbled. You wanna add that on there. Okay, now, got the bacon on there. Now, that's my mozzarella cheese. That's when it come into play. Oh yeah. And you wanna make sure you put plenty of mozzarella cheese on it. Now I got my oven set for 350. Let's get it all out of there. There we go. Make sure you coat it real good. Man, you talking about good here. I'm telling you, you need to try this. Now, after you get that on there, now, what you want to do too, now I love sprinkling Parmesan cheese after I add mine on there. And I like to put a little Parmesan cheese because pizza is not good with that Parmesan. You can also add red peppers too, but I got some people that's not going to be eating no spicy food, so I'm not going to add no red peppers just to this one. Okay, now you want to do that there. Now all you do now is just lay it with your pepperoni. And set your oven 350, and y'all come back and I'll show you how it looks. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh, man, hey, I finished that thing. Man, you talking about a good pizza, man. I'm telling you. Man, when I went to Italy, man, I'm telling you it was good. Now come in and show you how it look here. Check this out. Now look at that. Look at that. Man, that is good. Give me some. I don't gotta even eat spaghetti with a fork. I can even do it with a spoon. The bell peppers. Check out the pizza. Look at that. Look. Man. You talking about a good dish. Now, I done this here. Let me see. Ooh, this was back in the early 80s. Oh, I know I'm old. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you I ain't old, because I'm gonna hit this move. That don't refer to this video. No, I ain't gotta do it. Keep on rolling. Show them what I'm working with.
Ask somebody.
Boom!
Ain't no shit. You should have kept it.
I jumped too hard on that one.
You starting over?
Yeah.